People have become customers of JAMB. Every year they are writing JAMB exam, they are writing post UTME, they are spending money, reading, spending their time in order to gain admission. But at the end of the day, many candidates do not gain admission because of a little mistakes they make here and there. That is why in this video, let me guide you on a few things you can do that could help you to be among those that will gain admission this year. Are you with me? There are a few things you can do that will help you in your admission process. So I need you to pay attention. Give me your attention. Just pay attention to this video. Let's see if you can get the right information that could help. Even if it's one or two of you that pays attention, I'll be glad. Number one of the reasons is lack of mentorship and guidance. A lot of persons are applying for JAMB for the first time. A lot of persons are trying to gain this admission for the very first time, and because of that, they do not really know what to do and what not to do, when to do it and when not to do it, what to say and when not to say, what to write and what not to write. So because of many people are naive, they don't know which one to do, they don't know how to do it. Some people will miss opportunities. Simple things like proper subject combination, simple things like prefer university for a particular course, simple things like things like uploading your WAEC result and all the rest can deny somebody the opportunity, well-deserved opportunity to gain admission. Do you follow? So lack of mentorship and guidance, and that is one of the things I am offering you in our YouTube channel free of charge. Once you're a subscriber of our YouTube channel, if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. If you have not liked this video, like this video. If you have not joined, click on join and become a member. We will keep giving you guidance both before you write your UTME, after you write your UTME, and all the rest. Okay? The next reason is people fail to gain admission because a lot of persons select schools or courses that their score doesn't qualify for. There are some courses that demand high score in JAMB and post UTME. There are also some courses that really doesn't demand much. Any score you get, they will just give you, right? You can't compare a university course like medicine and nursing and another course like maybe radiology. All of them are good, but one will demand more. Cases like law will need more attention than, say, you are doing public administration. Do you understand? So selecting schools, there are also some schools that the competition is more in. For instance, if you are choosing a federal university like UNN, of course you know that the competition is more because the school fees in federal universities, federal institutions are very cheap compared to those in the state universities and private universities, right? Because the tuition, the school fees in the federal schools are less. It means that if 100,000 or let's say 100,000 persons are applying to go to, say, ESUT or IMSU, right? That is a state university. Then UNN, that is a federal university, may get something like 500, 600,000 or 1 million candidates applying to enter the school. So know the schools, select schools. Selecting schools or courses your score doesn't qualify you. For you to enter into those federal schools, you need to really perform exceptionally in your JAMB and in your post JAMB. That's your post UTME. Very, very crucial, very, very important. Okay. The next thing is not preparing for your UTME exam. Some people are discouraged when they see the JAMB result. They just relax. They are discouraged. They are not reading up. Some people, when they see their UTME result and they score, let's say 328, they relax. They say they think they have gotten the admission. But those schools that take UTME, there is actually an average. They will plus what you get in your JAMB and what you get in your post UME to get your score. Then they also consider your O level. So if you have done well in your JAMB, please don't stop. Keep prepared. And if you want me to give you videos on post UTME, depending on your institution, tell me the institution in the comment section, the school you are going for. I mean the university or polytechnic you are applying for and the score you got, so that I'll begin to guide you. Very, very important. Another one is late registration. Some people don't know when to upload their result in CAPS, when to start preparing, basic information. But that is why I need to know the school you are applying to and the subject. One of the things you can do is be online. There's a lot of information online. Ask people. Don't hide yourself. Come online. There is social media there. You have friends. Keep asking people, when is this one happening? What am I supposed to do at this point? There are the things that will help you. The next thing that could help you is inability to follow instructions correctly. Some people, even if you tell them the right thing to do, they won't do it. Like now I've told you, tell me the institution you want to go, tell me the score you got in your job. Some people will say not do it. So make research beyond our channel, Noble Tutorials. Make research, ask your friends. I mean, you can even visit the school, go to a CBT center, ask them, if I do this and do this, what is it going to result in? It will help you. I hope you are following. Another thing, remember I talked about not preparing for the post-UTME exam. No, not that. I talked about selecting schools or courses your score doesn't qualify. One of the things you can do, if your score is so low, is you can apply for change of course. You can also apply for change of institution. These are things that could help you to be sure that this year will not pass you by. And I also declare that nothing will stop you from getting admission this year. I want you to type, I claim it in the comment section. When others are getting admission, you will be one of them. You will be one of them. You will be one of them. Type, I claim it in the comment section. Okay? Some institution won't accept if you are underage. JAMB has already talked about it. If you are underage, you are not up to at least 18 years. I think I entered school when I was 18 or 19, because I wrote WAEC, NECO, JAMB the same year. That was far back when JAMB was say paper, pencil and paper. We wrote with pencil, but far then. But now, in your own age, it's already computer-based. Okay, if you're underage, they may not consider you qualified to gain university admission. Lack of timely information and updates. You need to belong to groups, WhatsApp groups. I mean, genuine ones. So you need to, like in our channel, we'll give you updates. I give you updates all the time, and you can be free. Once you join our YouTube channel, if you have not joined, please go ahead and join. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe now. Once you subscribe, once you have joined, you will receive up-to-date information that can help you secure admission. Remember the things I've said. Another reason is no access to JAMB CAPS. Who can tell me? By now you should know the full meaning of JAMB CAPS and how to go about it. Tell me the full meaning of JAMB CAPS in the central something. I won't say it. If you don't know how to log into your CAPS, please ask me now. I expect you to know. But if you don't know for any reason, come under the comment of this video and ask. Come under the comment of this video and do what? Ask me right now. Another reason that can deny you admission is wrong subject combination. Assuming you say you want to do engineering. I did computer engineering anyway. You want to do engineering and you did not write mathematics or you did not write physics in your JAMB. You can say that no university will give you admission. There are some compulsory subjects. Okay, this is very, very important, and it happens because some people don't get proper guidance. Choosing competitive courses will low. There are some courses that are hot cake. There are some courses, call it medicine or hot cake, call it every medical course is hot cake, every engineering course is hot cake, every law course is hot cake, all this accounting is hot cake, all these professional courses are hot cake. So, and you qualify to enter against such courses when you do what? When you score high in your JAMB. But if you scored low, please, you can do change of institution, change of course, so that you increase your chances of entering school this year. So this is basically it. Remember the things I said in the screen and apply them. What are your questions? Ask me right now. These are the things that could stop you. My prayer is that nothing will stop you from entering school, and I want you to have confidence, have faith, be free to ask me questions. join our YouTube channel. Click on join. When you join, you become a member. When you become a member, you'll be able to ask me questions. You'll be able to talk to me directly on WhatsApp. Me and my team will keep guiding you until you invite us for your matriculation that we have gotten admission. Can somebody type I claim it? Okay. So just do these things. Get the necessary information. If you get any information you don't think, you are wondering whether it is true or false, come quickly and ask me as far as you are a member of our YouTube channel. Now there's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now. If you have any question, please go ahead and ask me right now. Remember, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, immediately.